bro, yeah, we chilling, man. Wagwan.
Dog, me, I'm nice, dog. Me, I'm nice, man. Me, I'm clean. I'm with the boys here, man. I'm with the boys.
How's the train? Is the train moving?
Oh, it's moving, boy. The train is moving, dog. Like, the train moves every single day, my nigga. The train's moving, dog.
Bro, I'm in Durb, man. I wish I was there to turn up with the food.
Dog, the train's moving, dog. Dog. The train's moving. The train's moving.
Yeah, I'm actually sharing with them people about the conversation we have about the difference between real traders and trading influencers.
Dog, let me tell you, dog. Let me tell you. People don't trade, dog. People just post on Instagram and act as if they trade, but in reality, dog, people don't trade, bro. People don't trade, dog. I have to trade for real, my dog.
Bro, guys, yeah, I'm not the only one saying it. Like, this conversation is crazy, bro.
Bro, this conversation's real, dog. People don't trade, dog. But like, yeah, bro. As we trade, dog, that's what we
And the truth is, not everybody wants to face the reality that not all of us are traders.
Yeah.
People
Dog,
just sell the idea of trading.
you know what I think, dog, man? I think in the rest of the world, South Africa is like the one country that has most influences, dog. If you go to the States, people trade. If you go to Nigeria, people trade. But in South Africa, people just pose as traders, dog. But I see trade for real, dog. Train's moving.
The train is moving. See.
Train moving way. It's moving, my dog. It's moving.
Boy.
Yeah, no, ntwana yami. Ngizokufonela crane ntwana after live yakho boy yabona sasenamachita la ntwana yami. Ngizokufonela ka.
Junta the jams for me, man. Junta the jams for me.
Emna andile wa grunta mun.
Bro.
What's the word?
Hey, goat.
What's the word, boy?
Crane, but see now.
Boy, nyaba tell you taxi na song kesi ama trade ntwana.
Sorry, man.
Nyantel, maraba fitting zone bona mangbu yang sase duwan enkabanga boy. I drove to here, bro. I literally drove to Durb. But yeah, yo got nothing to lose. Name drop. Hey guys, I don't name drop. People are asking me about who. I ain't gonna be answering on some people's type shit, guys. I'm gonna talk about niggas I know. You feel me? I'm gonna talk about niggas I know. You feel me? But guys, as I said, the trading industry is toxic, bro. Yo, here if you become, bro, like yo, a lot of shit can backfire on you. Like, just stick to yourself, man. Relax, chill out. You feel me? Paul, I'll show more. Your fast, the trend, your bomb. You don't get to like grain, but like, you can feel what? Yeah, that's true. You can literally feel it. Who are the real traders? Hey guys. Nah, bro, that shit crazy. I ain't gonna answer on top of that shit. Like, I ain't gonna talk about it. Nah, I ain't gonna talk about it. I just said, guys, do your research. It's all up to you if you find out who the real traders are or not. But me, bro, I've proven it, bro. Like, multiple times. Like, I'm even tired, bro. Like, I entered this shit and I was like, I'm gonna show everybody that, guys, me na trader. And I'm not going for me na buffet. Me na, I'm trader fan. Max, we were chatting. Bro, I would literally swap you and put you at the corner right there. Chatting, me. Hey, barely move up, boy, fast. But anyway, you already know what's going on. Thanks for touching lines. But guys, I was just giving you a heads up that not all of us are real traders. We have trading influencers and we have real traders. And trust me, the 1% or 2% that you're talking about trading, 99% of it is influencers. You already know what's going on. This is your boy, the GOATANDY.